How to fix Redmi Note 13 Wi-Fi keeps turning off. So let's start the video. First of all, restart your device. For restart your device, press and hold volume up button and power button at the same time. Now swipe up to power off your device and then turn back on. After that, check your internet connection will works properly or not. After checking your internet connection, then open settings and scroll down and click on battery. And then click on current mode. Now here you can turn off your battery saver mode. After that, go back and click on more connectivity options. And then click on reset Wi-Fi, mobile networks and Bluetooth. Now here you can do reset network settings. After reset the network settings, then go back to the main page of your settings and click on about phone. And then click on Xiaomi Hyper OS. Now here you can check your software updates. If it doesn't update to latest version, then update it to latest version. After that, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.